Alright, as you can see here, guys, I'm filming the packages that I just received for your computers. Here's the boxes, here's all the individual parts. Now, not everything is going to your guys' computers, but pretty much everything is. For example, like I said, I am building 3 computers at one time. Here's your 3 extra case spans. Here is a video card that's going in to one of the systems. It's the GeForce 9500 series, a gig of memory with HDMI compatibility. And those are my video cards. Here are the motherboards. Copy of Windows. 3 different motherboard boxes, all brand new. Here's the memory and the hard drives. Onto the processors now. As you can see, we've got 3 beautiful, very fast, brand new dual-core processors. The CD-ROMs are in that styrofoam looking thing there, and I got some DVRs as well. And here are your power supplies. These power supplies do support, they're environmentally friendly, so they support low power usage, low noise. Here are the individual cases now. Let's get a side view. It's a little dark. Let me see if I can over here. So those are the 3 cases. And here's my own personal setup here. Never mind the sticky notes. Move my mouse so you can get some understanding of what I've got going on here. And let's sign in real quick. My desk is a little messy. Alright, so there's my setup, my chair. Walk away again so you can kind of get an overview of everything. And here's where all the magic's going to take place, assembling these computers. My wireless printer. And that's for the baby. So she can watch while I build these things. That's where my laptop is. And I've got another customer's computer there I'm fixing. There's 2 monitors. And down here we've got 2 other towers. As you can see, Barry, this is your old tower right here, which I'll be pulling your information off of and putting it on your new one. And here's another customer's of mine computer. And going on over here, little computers, old computers, and you guys can get a little glimpse into my rack mount here. Alright. Like routers, modems, and servers. So I can open this up so it looks a little better. My rack mount server down at the bottom, backup server there, and you see all my gear. We even catch it from the back here real quick so you can see. A little dark. Come on with the subject here. There we go. My cooling fan with my 10 dBi antennas on my 4 wireless access points and my 8-port switch. Blue cabling connects my Ethernet backbone to all my network devices. Gray cabling goes to my workstations. Green cabling goes to my servers. And the orange cable goes to my VoIP line. As you can see, this is how I've got all my cables routed. And they come down power setup. And you see on the floor, these are my KVM switches. By pressing that button, I control one computer. By pushing another button, I'm on another computer. Still using the same keyboard, mouse, and monitors. Alright, well, that just about does it for my side of things. I'm going to go ahead and start assembling these computers now for you. I will record some more videotape for you guys when I have an update for you.